Hello, I am Professor Kakade Aryam. Subject name is Service Marketing and Chapter 3 Service Process. So today I will discuss service design. Service design means introduction. There are a lot of similarities between a product and the service design. At the same time, there are some major differences involved too. One features of the distribution, the two, is that the service are the created and delivery simulated. Whatever manufacture, production and delivery are usually separate in times. Means service refer to an act, something that is done to or for customer. Means client, patient. It's provided by a service delivery system which include the facilities, process and skill needed to provide the service. Means the service components, the product are the increase, the ability to the create and delivery level to customer oriented service is often key competitive differences. Successful companies combine the customer oriented service with their product. That is service design. Means system design involves the development to recognize the overall the service packages, that is the physical resources needed, the accomplished goods that a purchase of the consumed by the customer or provided with the service. Start a service design by the choice of the service strategy. This in the determine the natures of the focus on the service including the target market. This required of the assessment by the top management of the potential market and over particular service and the assessment of the organization ability. The provided the service. Once importance design have been made, then the requirement of the expectation service must be evaluated. That is two key issues of the service design are the degree of the variation of the service requirement, the degree of customer contact and the customer involvement in the delivery system. This will be have an impact on how the service can be standardization. The lower the degree of the customer contact and the service requirement variable, the more standardization of the service can be conversion. High variable like the customer contact generally means the service must be the highly consumptive. That is service design. So next point is service blueprint. What is meant by service blueprint? The service blueprinting methods of the allow mainly in the service design pages. Once the previous stages are the completed in order to apply this method and the outcome should be integrated to the service blueprinting. Service blueprinting is a service planning help tool. It can be used for the developing new innovation service as well as for the improving existing service. This method also ensures that the quality, the service processes can be the use of the new employee training or the showing a client of the service cycle. Blueprinting has its organized the variety of the field. Techniques include the logistic, industrial engineering, decision theory, computer, system analysis, the software engineering of all the with the definition of the explanation of the services. That is, service blueprinting allows the visualization of the service development process in the early stages. The service blueprinting outcome consists of the graphically presented overcome the service process in the activities, the contact point between client and the firm and the physically service elements of the tangible service become the visible in each process step. Identify the failure points in the discovering areas innovation become the possible. This technique easily identification the cost of the saving potential and the offers an excellent base for the future service for the management. A service, that is a service blueprints, there are the pictures or map that the particular customer experience and the system so that the different people are the involved providing the service understand it the objectively regarding of their roles of their individual potential view During the design stages of the service development, blueprints are the very useful. A service blueprint visually display service as the simulated depending. That is the process of service delivery, the points of customer contact, the role of customer and employees, and the visible elements of the service. So, thank you so much.